Face packs for skin whitening. 1. Honey and papaya. You will need a piece of papaya. Mash it and make an even paste. Add a teaspoon of honey and mix it well. Apply it all over your face and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, rinse it off your face and pat dry. 2. Honey and lemon. Mix 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of honey. Apply this mixture on your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. 3. Baking soda and honey. Mix 1 tablespoon each of honey and baking soda. Apply this paste over the skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this mask twice a week. You will achieve good results. 4. Honey, gram flour, turmeric and milk. In a small bowl, combine 2 teaspoons gram flour, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon milk and 1 teaspoon honey. Mix well to create a smooth and fine paste. Apply this paste evenly on your face. The mask will dry naturally and you can wash it off with water after 20 minutes. This face pack brightens the skin and makes it look fresh and clean.